Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. Are you wondering how do you log in into Instagram Lite application on your phone? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll be teaching you how do you log in into your Instagram Lite. At first, you need to find the application Instagram Lite on your phone and then click on the application. And then you'll be met with your login page. So in order to log in into your Instagram Lite, you need to have an Instagram account. And according to your Instagram account, you need to enter your mobile number, username, or email at the first bar, as shown in the video. Now, use your username. And after you've done entering your username, you can then go ahead and type in your password. So after you're done entering your password, you can see just below your password entering bar, you can see the login button. Now after you click into the login button, you will see that your Instagram account will open. There you go guys. This is how you log in into your Instagram Lite. Super easy and super quick. Hope you found this video informational and useful to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down what you want to see next. That is all for this video guys. Thank you and see you soon.